Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. And 600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos XTZ is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. In the words of its creators, it's the last cryptocurrency, and it's meant to last. XTZ holders have the option of voting on proposed protocol changes. Tezos XTZ coin holders achieved an all-time high in October 2021, notwithstanding this fact. This raises the issue of whether Filecoin (FRPN) can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token presale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole presale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1,000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN presale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. Lunged below the zero line, while the lines were on the verge of a bearish crossover. Conclusion: Phil truly walked on thin ice now. The buyers must uphold the $18 support to prevent a major fallout. In which case, a near-term tight phase around its point of control would be likely before the alt falls back into its long-term trend. Besides, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis. The next news: Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos XTZ set historic record in their presales. Filecoin (FRPN) presale rise 10% overnight. It is possible to buy new crypto at a far lower price by participating in presales to make the best gains. We can see this when we look back at Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos XTZ historic presale figures. Newcomer Filecoin (FRPN) aspire to be on these levels and hit huge figures in their presale, which has just started. Due to great demand, cryptocurrency pre-sales shutter sell out within minutes of their start. You'll want to keep an eye on the clock when the pre-sale begins again. One pre-sale you don't have to look too far for is Filecoin (FRPN). Their pre-sale began just over a week ago, and early investors are already reaping the rewards. One of the newest cryptocurrencies, Filecoin token (FRPN), has a lot of potential for development in 2022. Filecoin will provide access to a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Polygon, Matic, Ethereum, ETH, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Solana, Sol, and Avalanche, AVAX, FRPN. Several solutions will be combined, so that holders may do multi-chain swaps at the least price and timely rates feasible. The 15% presale allocation of Filecoin (FRPN) will be available on PancakeSwap (PS) and Uniswap (US). As the demand for cross-chain transactions rises, point for the bulls. If the price finds a close above this level, it would most likely enter into a squeeze phase between the $18–$20 range before falling back further. Any close below the $18 mark would trigger a selling signal, as the bears could try to find newer lows. The RSI has been oscillating sideways, while the price marked lower peaks. This reading kept the bullish revival hopes alive from the $18 mark. Its immediate trendline support at the 36 mark would be vital for the bulls to defend. The MACD has rather taken a back foot as its history and second news: Gitcoin grants have raised more than $1 million in Ethereum for Ukraine. As the military conflict between Ukraine and Russia continues, WEB3 has stepped up for Ukraine, sending nearly $100 million in crypto donations to the Ukrainian government and NGOs operating in the region, according to Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation. Now Gitcoin, the platform that rewards coders with crypto, is adding its support by hosting a fundraising campaign called GR13. Running from March 9 to March 24, GR13 is a pool of grants under the Gitcoin banner that includes a pool to benefit Ukraine. GR13 is the 13th quadratic funding round Gitcoin has launched, and Gitcoin co-founder Scott Moore tells Deckert it's part of our move to donate to more real-world causes. The Ukraine-specific pool of GR13 has raised just over $1 million in funding to support Ukraine as of Thursday evening. WEB3 projects Polygon, Algorand, ENDS, Uniswap, Ulanpozdao, Nounsao, OpenSea, Radical, ZK Tech, and Open Gaming have all joined Gitcoin's GR13 initiative by offering matching funds of their own, in varying amounts. Nounsao, ENDS domains, and Filecoin are among the projects that have donated to the Ukraine pool, specifically. E5, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Phil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Phil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Phil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Phil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Phil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Phil price prediction 2027. Phil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filecoin, Phil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2029. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2029 will be around $407.27.